Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. And I have a great question for you because this is one of those negative questions where we got to look for some of the key words here in the question. So let's jump into this trickery. Sally, a salesperson working for broker Stu, lists seller Scott's home with an exclusive right to sell agreement. Which of the following occurrences would not cause the termination of this agreement? A. Sally's death. B. Scott's death. C. Mutual agreement. D. Destruction of the property. Okay. So let's look at this again. What we're looking for here is what would not cause the termination of the listing agreement. So three of these things would cause the termination of the listing agreement. One would not. So, would the destruction of Scott's property terminate the listing agreement? Yes. Now, you might remember in some past videos, I say it does not terminate the sales contract. No, 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 nay, 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 but it does terminate the listing agreement. Now, it could be renegotiated. There are certain circumstances where, listen, we could go through a bunch of what ifs, but the destruction of the property terminates the listing agreement. Next one, mutual agreement. Yeah, if everyone says, I hate you, you hate me, I hate you, great, fantastic. Absolutely. No reason you need to continue working with them. So now we're left with the seller's death or the salesperson's death. So one of those is going to terminate a listing and the other is not. So Scott's death definitely does terminate the listing because death, insanity, destruction, or bankruptcy of either the broker or the seller, because those are the two parties in the transaction. Like, let's talk about that for a second. The transaction is always with the broker and the principal. It is never with the salesperson. So the salesperson dying, unfortunate, but it does not have any impact on that listing agreement. So the correct answer to that one would be A, Sally's death. So guys, I hope you like that one. And if you do and you like what I'm doing here, please support it. Share this out with other people. If you have some people in your classroom, maybe you have a little study group. Maybe you're like, oh my God, these Stu questions are amazing. Okay, come on over here, hit that like button, hit subscribe, show us some love, and that is always much appreciated. But until the next time, which is going to be real soon, I will see you soon.